everyone, this is Devin.
Peter.
And we're here from the Northeast Quadrant in snowy Washington, D.C., where we are answering your weather wonders. Recently, we asked our followers to submit their weather questions on the blog, and I'm going to go ahead and give it to Peter here to start answering those questions.
Thanks, Devin. Our first few questions are on the northern lights, smelly feet, and woodchucks. Antonio from Washington, D.C. writes in and asks, what causes the aurora borealis, otherwise known as the northern lights, and what effect does it have on the weather?
Well, Antonio, the aurora borealis is actually caused by the sun's continuous flow of charged magnetic particles from the sun's atmosphere far out into the solar system. When those particles enter the Earth's magnetosphere, they accelerate along the Earth's magnetic field, which concentrate at the north and south poles. That's why you see the northern lights in the north. I don't know if they call them southern lights. Do they call them southern lights down in the South Pole?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think they're just called the northern lights. Anyway, these collisions create energy, and the excess energy is given off in the form of light emissions. As for affecting weather, only space weather. Although the lights appear to be in our atmosphere, they are millions and millions of miles away. Now, what was that you said about smelly feet?
Well, Chris from Washington, D.C. wrote in and asked, why does your nose run and your feet smell?
Well, is he hanging upside down?
Or it's really cold out.
Okay, well, as for your feet, they probably just smell because you wear thick socks to keep them warm. You can get some nice odor spray for that if you visit your local pharmacy. I'm sure that they could help you take care of that.
And if it's really cold out, Chris, you ought to just cover up in a scarf.
Yeah. Ellen from Washington, D.C. says, what's the difference between woodchucks and groundhogs, other than bacon? Peter?
Well, I don't know about the bacon, other than it's delicious. But if you looked at our blog recently on Groundhog Day, you would have learned that groundhogs are in fact the same thing as woodchucks. Thanks, Ellen.
Great, thanks. Well, that's just a few questions here. We'll be sharing some more with you in coming days, but I hope that we were able to answer those 3 questions and satisfy your weather why wisdom. From Washington, D.C., this is Devin.
And Peter.